Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Fusion radio malfunction issue and the potential problems associated with it. Radio malfunctions in the Ford Fusion are commonly described as the audio system not turning on, intermittent sound loss, frozen screens, unresponsive controls, distorted audio, or the system rebooting unexpectedly. Reviewed infotainment and electrical system documentation indicate that radio-related concerns can occur across multiple Ford Fusion model years, depending on infotainment system version, software integration, and electrical architecture. This issue does not affect all vehicles, and applicability varies by model year and configuration. One verified cause involves infotainment software behavior. Software glitches, incomplete updates, or corrupted system data can cause the radio to freeze, reboot, or stop responding to inputs. Another confirmed cause relates to electrical power supply stability. Voltage drops, weak battery condition, or charging system irregularities can interrupt power to the radio, leading to shutdowns or erratic behavior. Wiring and connector integrity are also documented factors. Loose connectors, damaged wiring behind the dashboard, or poor grounding can disrupt audio and display functions. Infotainment control module or head unit hardware condition is another verified consideration. Internal component failure or overheating within the radio unit can lead to loss of functionality. External device or system integration behavior is an additional confirmed aspect. Bluetooth connections, USB devices, or system communication issues can sometimes interfere with normal radio operation. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, software version, or prior electrical or infotainment repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. General solutions referenced in professional service guidance include checking battery and charging system health, inspecting radio-related fuses and wiring, performing software updates or system resets, scanning for infotainment-related diagnostic codes, and testing the head unit for proper operation. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and infotainment system-specific requirements. In conclusion, Ford Fusion radio malfunctions are typically associated with software-related issues, electrical power instability, wiring or grounding problems, head unit hardware concerns, or system integration behavior. The exact cause can vary by vehicle generation, model year, and infotainment configuration, making proper inspection essential. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.